Well, it is very windy out, and it looks like the power just keeps shutting on and shutting off. I'll show you guys how crazy it is outside. Oh. So everybody has lost power. They even called another campground a ways down, and they lost power as well. So, but y'all, I am on the market. Come on, Jada baby. I have, a really nice backup battery pack, but that one does not allow me to hook up Tamara to it. You know what I'm saying? That's good for charging and stuff like that, but as far as being able to run Tamara off of it, like I don't have anything like that, like a generator. So that's like, universe, moments like this, for moments like this, I need a sponsorship for a generator for moments like this. So we'll see how long this lasts. Yeah, I guess it's time to get up and make some coffee, friends. And welcome to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I am coming to you from outside of both Tia and Tamara. Hey, welcome to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I travel full-time on the road with my fur baby Jada in this RPod 153. We initially started our travels in my self-converted Skoolie named Domino, but with mechanical issue after mechanical issue, it was time to put her in storage and purchase something more reliable. And now I have Tia and Tamara, aka Sister Sister. Join me as I save up to purchase my dream land and navigate life as a solo female traveler. So the water's not working. Oh, I don't want to use it all. But I'm hooked up to the city water. So yeah, I think their water pump is out because it's electric. But I still have my water pump, obviously. But that was just one thing I didn't know. So it's like, okay, I need to turn on my water pump to use the restroom and stuff like that all over again. And of course, the propane has turned on for my fridge. I have enough propane, so I'm good. I don't have to worry about that. And I'm still only working with one battery, friend, so we're still doing good. But I went ahead and turned my TV off, and my fan that I always have going, I just went ahead and turned that off because I don't know how long this is gonna last, and I sleep hot. So I'm gonna need this fan to keep me cool tonight if we don't get electricity again. So I just have to keep my eye on the weather because it is crazy out in these streets. And then also I got a warning for Tallahassee. And Tallahassee, Florida is not too far from me. It's a few hours. And it was like a tornado. Like, just keep an eye out on a tornado warning type situation. And also, like 2 nights ago, Fort Lauderdale got hit with a tornado randomly. I just heard, did that tree just break? I feel like that tree branch just cracked, y'all. Or has it always been hanging like that? I wish I knew if it always been hanging like that. This one right here. It's right over there. I don't know, I just heard something, but I have to keep my eye out on the weather. I thought Florida was past this, y'all. This is my first time in my home, like in this living situation, even in Domino and stuff like that. So, yeah, okay. So let me make this coffee, because today already seems like it's going to be a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. So when I don't have electricity, my lights up here, my exhaust fan doesn't work, but I have the windows going. Of course, don't mind that, I need more paper napkins. Of course, my convection microwave oven doesn't work, which is unfortunate because I was like, oh my gosh, I can just throw some biscuits in there and make some biscuits, you know, while I drink my coffee. But that's not gonna happen. I have tons of oatmeal. I have tons of things that I can just throw on the stove for breakfast. Oh, maybe I had these really good waffles, but they taste better toasted in the convection oven. So yeah, this is gonna be cool. We're caveman style. Oh, I'm so spoiled. The light is so bad in here right now. I don't really want to use any of my 12 volt light at the moment. I mean my 12 volt power at the moment unnecessarily. So I'm sorry for the quality. I'll open up the rest of these windows. I have these that aren't open, but this is our light, friends, for today. So yeah. Water's ready. So it's still really early. It's not even 9 o'clock yet, friends. And they are getting to work. I think I did take a clip outside of one of the little outdoor pavilions. They were actually working on it last week before I left to go see my sister. And, you know, they're out there drilling it down to make sure those little flaps don't fly away, because that is a very much dangerous situation. That's like sheet metal panels and stuff, so they're out there working on that. And I like to spend my mornings, you know, in bed drinking my coffee, but we'll see. Drinking my coffee and, you know, watching some cartoons like a child. But that's not gonna happen. So I think I'm actually gonna possibly journal, my friends. Excuse me. Pull out my journal and write some things down. Jada's eating her breakfast, and yeah, let's get to it. All of these doggone balls. Okay, so I just got notice from one of the residents and also one of the workers here, maintenance workers. They just basically said that like tornado hit, you know, like Tallahassee, I believe, or it's really getting close to Tallahassee or something. And so that we probably want to like get all our stuff from outside. I'm like, well, should we leave? And he's like, no, we don't really get stuff like that this way, but the winds are gonna come in strong in about like 2 hours or so. And so like you don't want to have like your Starlink, and I have a rug kind of rolled up out there, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab all my stuff. He said the sewer hookup and all of that stuff is okay there to stay, because I did ask the question. So okay. Safe, keep us grounded. Lord, I thank you. In Jesus' name, amen. So my battery on my camera ran out while I was fixing up the black water hose dump stuff. So I just went ahead and put that up because, let me show you guys the path of the storm like is literally coming this way, and it'll be here, I think it was saying around like 2 something. So just to be better safe than sorry, I just went ahead and took that stuff from outside because I just don't want to break anything. Yeah, but we have power again, so that's nice. Starting to get warm in here. It's like in the 70s. I have, you know, my windows open, but it's always best to have that fan, and that's inside the bathroom. I would normally have that fan on so it'll help circulate all the air in here, but it has a flap on the top, the cover, and I don't want to risk it flying off, you know? So I just went ahead and turned this baby up all the way. It's plugged in, charging also, so we can have some airflow going through. And unfortunately, I'm kind of scared to open up this window right here because unlike all of my other windows that kind of just slide out like this one pops out because this also doubles as an emergency exit along with this right here. So yeah, they're not like regular windows that you just slide out. It pops out, and I don't want to risk, you know, losing my window in the wind. So yeah, we're just here chilling. Also on that little weather projection thing, you'll see that it's also coming towards Jacksonville. Like it's made its way, you know, from Florida all the way up to like Tennessee. And based on comments from Facebook, you know, people in Tennessee have lost their power too. My sister in Virginia, where we just left, the kids have to get picked up from school. So yeah, it's coming towards Jacksonville. Like it's literally just doing like this. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted as the day goes on, but yeah. Alright friends, the first sign of lightning and the first thunderstorm has just started. It's 12:18, and also we're getting a little drizzle right now. I was able to look at the weather again, and like, yeah, the rain is due to start here, and then maybe like 1:30ish it might pick up a bit even more. So yeah, I'm eating my oatmeal, and I'm just chilling. Like we have power and stuff. I have my fan going, you know, the windows are still open, and I don't know y'all. But I've already prayed and thank the Lord for, you know, covering the campground, covering my family back at home, and, you know, charge these angels to protect this space. And yeah, so it's just a matter of getting through it, and we just about to get through it. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to catch it, but my phone isn't like, I don't know, I don't feel like the drops are big enough right now for my phone to catch it. But we're also getting hail. I hear like the little small, like little tick tick ticks, and I see them like slowly, you know, dripping down. Oh my goodness. This is like the beginning of the rain too. Like it is coming down hard. So like all of this is like water is gathering. Oh man. So it's crazy that this isn't fogged up, like this back window isn't fogged up, but these windows are fogged up. And don't mind my laundry, I just got back in town, but these are fogged up too. So that kind of sucks. We know condensation is not good around these parts, but I do have a microfiber cloth that I'm just gonna go ahead and at least wipe down the ones on the inside, and then like try and track and see how long, you know, before the condensation forms again. But my power is back on, so that's good. I have a fan going, and have all the other fans in my little battery pack and all that stuff charging just in case. But yeah, y'all, we have the thundering and the lightning and the puddles are forming, but we're like, according to like the nature the weather map thing, it's saying that we're like in the yellow part, I believe, like the light yellow part, and then it's going back green, and then it's gonna get back yellow, back orange and red, or whatever, however the colors go. But yeah, so it is 1:26. Y'all, it's like 2 something and it has stopped. The rain has stopped and everything. So I went onto Google and I was able to see the storm just kind of like right past us, y'all. So prayers work, obviously, you know what I'm saying? So that's that. And I just opened up these windows, and when I tell you, it's like it went from 70 degrees to like 40 or even colder. Y'all, it's like freaking freezing. Climate change, people playing with the weather. I am a conspiracy theorist, but I'm about to watch. I'm on my screen because I'm using my phone to watch Nurse Ratched on Netflix. Y'all know I unhooked the Starlink, so I don't have any Wi-Fi. So I mirrored my phone, but I was like, oh my gosh, let me talk to my friends and let them know like what's going on before I get into the show. So yeah, I'm about to eat some Rotel chip and dip that my mama made in Virginia and watch Nurse Ratched, and then I'm gonna catch y'all later.